Wola, Shapfiri Wizit Mzansi. Thank you for tuning into your favorite channel known as Everything SA Disky News. On this one today, we got you 8 Kaizer Chiefs players facing loan exits by Monday. As we know, Kaizer Chiefs have been on the topping charts of signing new players, and now it's time for them to offload some of the players. Kaizer Chiefs coach Nasruddin Nabi has opened the Naturena exit door. A mix of youngsters and fringe stars are tipped for loan moves. I think you must let me know who do you think it is. Guess by the down below the comment section. But let me take you ahead on today's story. Kaizer Chiefs coach Nasruddin Nabi admitted that the squad is larger and he would like a loan moves and are anticipated before the transfer window deadline day, Monday 22 September at midnight. The Tunisian technician said that he is working closely with management to find minutes for inconsistent players and emerging youngsters. Now the big question, which Kaizer Chiefs players could be packing their bags for loan moves? Samgelo Zwane, defensive midfielder, a popular Amakosi development graduate. Zwane looked like the next big thing when he broke through under former coach Arthur Zwane in 2023. He already has 36 senior games to his name, but last season he faded into a bit part role with just 13 outings, mainly off the bench. This season, not even a place on the bench. After 6 games, a clear sign a loan could be his lifeline. Number 2 is Happy Mashiane, 27-year-old left back, once tipped for big things. Mashiane has seen his role shrink to almost nothing at Naturena. He managed only 9 substitute appearances last term and hasn't come near to 20-man match day squad this season. A fresh start is due. Rumors have linked him have linked the Tembisa Pawn star with Durban City and Stellenbosch FC. Number 2 is Donny Jason, 22-year-old winger. Football runs in his blood. He's the nephew of club legend Bernard Parker, but his loan spell at SuperSport United last season was a letdown with just 3 appearances. Coach Nabi had hoped for more development, and another loan might be the best chance for him to get consistent senior minutes. Number 2 is Molefe, Bontle Molefe, goalkeeper, a highly regarded shot stopper who has been training with the first team for 3 years but still waiting for his senior debut with Bruce Bevuma, Brendan Peterson and Fias Ntwari ahead of him. Molefe needs regular football elsewhere to grow and prove his qualities. Number 4, we look at Tulani Mabasa, 19-year-old central midfielder, the midfielder maestro who led Kaizer Chiefs reserve to DSTV Disky Challenge glory on the cusp of something big. He trained with the senior team in the Netherlands during preseason but hasn't debuted yet. A loan could be his stepping stone. And number 5, we look at Tashreeq Morris, signed in January as emerging a solution from SuperSport United. Morris was brought in as the team lacked a traditional target man to fit coach Nabi's technical style. While he has the physical presence, his technical ability struggled to match the demands of the Kaizer Chiefs jersey, and injuries haven't helped in his cause. So far, he remains goalless in 10 appearances, with Flavio and Salvio as well as Icodoro recently added, both sharing a similar profile but offering better ball skills, as well as Nkanyisa Mayo. Morris looks set for a loan move. His former SuperSport United coach Kevin Hunt is near to bring Morris on loan into the club Durban City. Number 2, we look at Kabelo Mokhwese, 19-year-old left back, another reserve team star. Mokhwese is battling a traffic jam of left backs in the senior squad. Paseka Makonkanyisa Shinga, Bradley Cross and Mashiane are ahead of him. No surprise he hasn't made the 20-man squad this season. A loan would give him the game time his development demands. Number 7 is Naledi Hlongwane, striker, another newly promoted talent from the reserve side. Hlongwane got his first taste of Betway Premiership action in the opening matches against Stellenbosch due to injuries and registration delays among Kaizer Chiefs senior strikers. While he looked promising up front, he hasn't been given another opportunity since a season loan could be just that what these players need to sharpen their skills and gain confidence and come back ready to shake up Nabi's team. Please let me know what are these players that are seemingly favored to leave the team down below the comment section. From your boy Isaac Waisonice, Umtarwe Nchumba. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, turn notification bell, leave your thought, comment down below the section because Del Rato never left the building. And as you stick to the channel, we will always make sure we bring you the latest news and sports update. But shelele.
Tonight's game against the Buccaneers. Bele. Oh, that's goal bound. That is